Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we'll be looking at how you can fix a faulty or muted microphone in Windows. So the first thing you'll want to do is to open up Windows settings. Once we are here, we'll press on System. Then in the left hand panel, we press on Sound. Now we look at where the input section is and we make sure we have the right device. So this could be our first issue. If we didn't have the right device selected, that could have been the issue. So this is where we select the device that we want to use as our microphone. Once we've made sure that we have the right device, what we want to do is to troubleshoot. So let's press the troubleshoot button. And yeah, let's make sure we have the right device selected. And yeah, there we go. It found the issue, and it was that the microphone was actually just muted. So another thing we can do is that we can go to the device properties, press on additional device properties, levels, and here we have a slider where we can change the volume and we can see if the microphone is muted or unmuted. Sometimes you can even get the option of microphone boost, wherein you can add even extra volume to your microphone, but this depends on the type of microphone that you are using. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, then ask in the comments below. If you liked the video, drop a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.